Okay, now that we've tested this out, we're going to just see what it's like to store it and roll it up and see how that works. So I'm just going to grab it and start rolling it. And I got a Chihuahua there too. So that was there. And let's see. It's got the little straps it came with. Let's see. And that's all you got to do to roll it up. It does have a bag we can put it in. Let me get the bag. There's the bag it came in. I don't know, let's see how it's going to fit back in this bag. It's a little longer now and wider because it's fully expanded. And then also the bag is it's expanded this way by this zipper right here. So if I take this zipper, probably a better two-person job. One person to pull the zipper together, another person to slide it. Spike, you want to give me a hand? So anyway, I don't know how practical it would be to try to condense it back down this way. I personally think that trying to zip it back into that smaller package is not going to work because it's expanded, but it still fits in a nice bag to protect it. And then we keep our bedding up above the cab right here, so we can still throw that in there. This is what the other one looks like. This is how much smaller it is in diameter. It's bigger, but it's not that bad. But it is nice. It's protected. It's in a bag that'll keep it clean, and I think it's gonna work out great.
Our old ones took up a lot less space.
Yeah, they were only about that long.
And a lot thinner when you folded them up, rolled them up.
I think if I were to try to roll this one tighter, I probably could. But I did a quick, simple roll on it. But I like it. It's gonna be great. We'll undo this one.
Maybe if I helped, we could roll them tighter.
Yeah. Okay. Well, thanks for watching. Spike says goodbye. Yeah. And if you got any questions, just drop me a message, and I'll see what I can do for you. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.